Everybody wants to know what makes the blue pipe so strong and why is it blue? Well, it's blue because it's virgin material. That means there's been no additives put in. There's been no recycled materials to weaken the pipe's integrity, to jeopardize all your hard work over a cheap, flimsy pipe. It just does not make sense. Look at the men stand on it. They pour a bunch of stone on it and they pack it in with their boots. There's nothing stronger than the French drain man's high octane yard drain pipe manufactured by the Baughman Tile Company. It is the heaviest single wall corrugated pipe in the world. It has more inlet than any other pipe in the world, over 17 square inches per every linear foot. Can you imagine that? So I weigh about 240. I mean, I step on, those NDS peanut bags, the styrofoam French drains, and they just crush. And the pipes are so thin and flimsy, and we run into them all the time. We're always pulling them out. We're always seeing damage caused by, whether it was a possum, raccoon, a groundhog. They smell that recycled restaurant material in those pipes that you see in the big box stores that are not virgin material, the royal blue virgin material that we're having Baughman Tile make exclusively for French Drain Man here. And we now make this pipe available to DIYers and homeowners everywhere, and we also ship it to contractors all over the United States and Canada too. I will show you a little bit of its strength. You see the men walking on it. You see all the stone that's already on it. They have no problem packing this in, with their boots. Now, this is one of those styrofoam French drains by NDS, and I'm just going to stand on it. And, I am not a little guy, so I'm not going to say that, oh, this is, just 160 pounds. No, I'm 230, 240. But still, I mean, this is garbage. Okay. So my guys were standing on that virgin material, that royal blue, and you seen it dumping, all kinds of stone on it. That was a quad pack too. So there were 4 of those virgin material French Drain Man royal blue. Now there's my I'll do it again here, and I'm going to really try to crush it with my 240 pounds. And you could see I put all the weight on one foot at the very end of the pipe, got to deflect a little bit, and that was about it. Now let's show you what we've been tearing out of the ground and bring it back to the yard. We replace a lot of systems. Seeing is believing, and here is a bunch of pipe that the guys brought in. This was about a week's worth of work. Every time we do a job anymore, we're pulling out a system that's failed. Now, this is the Home Depot pipe. I'm not going to mention any names, but if you know your pipe, you know what it is. So I always talk about how animals, chew holes in the recycled pipes, and we can't figure it out. I know it's made out of recycled restaurant containers, food containers, but it might even be the additives that they have to add to it so that it has additional strength. So we got a bunch of pipe here that, animals have chewed on, and you can see a lot of this pipe has collapsed and failed. This is more than one run, obviously. The guys, you can see where animals chewed holes in this pipe. So Scott and the guys, and I appreciate what they're doing, they saved everything from this past week. And they just, before they put it in the dumpster, they just told me, hey, got a pile in the yard, show people how animals chew on this pipe from Home Depot, and show them all the collapsed pipe. And you can see that a large part of these systems that they tore out, this stuff's just collapsed. So again, boy, look at this. So you got the animals chewing on this recycled pipe. They really like it. I don't know all the details to that. Again, all I can do is make assumptions. They don't do it to the virgin yellow. They don't do it to the Baughman gold. So we have great luck with the virgin material. So just another visual. You guys love the visuals. But here's the graveyard from this past week. All right, guys, until next time.